Most people talk about chakras like something mystical, but what if you could actually measure them? That's exactly what the BioWell device does. BioWell uses something called GDV Gas Discharge Visualization to capture the energy around your fingers. Each finger corresponds to a different organ and chakra based on traditional Eastern medicine. The software converts these patterns into easy TP read visuals, showing chakra alignment, chakra size, energy leakage, stress levels, left, right, energy imbalances. So in just 60 seconds, you know exactly which chakras are strong and which ones need attention. This gives practitioners and wellness seekers a scientific look at the energy system, something that used to be invisible. And that's why BioWell is becoming one of the most powerful tools in modern holistic healing.